2 palafin EX boxes. Oh shit, oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm doing this during a thunderstorm, which is something that no one really does. So yeah, I'm just gonna open all these. Hopefully I pull something good. So yeah, wish me luck. Fuck it up. Come on. Alright, well, let's get this shit opened. Put that there. This might take me a while. Hold on. I got so much shit here. Alright. Oh. Okay. Alright, open this one. I got 8 booster packs. Okay. Alright. Palafin EX. What? Wait. What? What? That's weird. Both the same. Okay, whatever. Visit. I don't know how to pronounce your fucking name. And yeah, I'll just give these away to someone that needs it. Put those aside. Holy shit. Alright. And here's the 2 jumbo cards. I don't want those, so they can really fuck off. So I'm just gonna sell some junk. Woo! I heard that. Damn! I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Alright, Twilight Masquerade. What have we got? 4 booster packs of Twilight Masquerade, 2 booster packs of Obsidian Flames, and 2 packs of Temple Forces. So we're gonna start the worst to the best. So, all right, wish me luck. Let's do it. Let's hope the thunderstorm gave me the good luck. Let's do this shit. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. See if we get anything good out of this one. Alright. Nope. Alright. That was only the first pack. That's it. Second pack. Let's go. Obsidian Flames is the pull rate for the Obsidian Flames. It's not really that great. It's not really that great. I'll just say it right now. It's not that great. Fuck. And yeah, see, Obsidian Flame sucks. It sucks ass. I know. Don't. It just sucks. All right. Hopefully, get some good out. Temporal Forces. I think it's raining. Oh shit, it is raining. What the fuck? Put the energy there. Okay, let's see what we got. God damn, nothing. Dude. Come on, this sucks. You gotta be shitting me. That fucking sucks. Oh, jeez. Alright, put that there. Fuck that. Okay. I'll move that away. Fuck you, Mr. Mime. Oh, wow, I heard that. I can't believe I pulled that. Alright. 4 booster packs of Twilight Masquerade. We gotta pull this. We gotta pull something out of this. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah, I always gotta do that, do I? Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can get anything out of this one. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off! Come on, this sucks. I don't really get anything good out of this. We only got like 3 booster packs. We have to get something good. Alright, fuck it. I'll do it again. Please, Jesus. Please give me something at least good today. Please make me happy for one whole day. Please. I'm begging you. Okay. Let's hope he's right. Wait, what did I say? I don't know. Fuck it. I don't care. Alright. Well, I already pulled that. Oh well. That's bad luck for me, isn't it? Okay. The packs are really fucking smooth. Yep, okay. Okay. That's nothing. Well. Alright. Last booster pack. Oh, shit. Scarlet and Violet just changed Pokemon forever, didn't it? Yeah, like, fuck it. Alright, well. You gotta really be, shitting me right now. I'm a little disappointed. I don't know if I'm ever doing that again. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not buying it anymore. Didn't get anything good out of it. I just didn't get anything good out of it. That's all. Well, alright. Oh, fuck. Another day, another fucking day. Alright, well, I'm gonna drink some of the fucking rain, and hopefully I get sick.